Okay, student, welcome back. This is Mr. Velez. As always, go to my website, Mr. Velez Mitra Music, Google it, and then it's gonna take you here. Music tag, go to aqwertyon, and then we're gonna do 10,000 reasons. So click here. It's only 4 chord. The chord that you already know: F, F I C chord, C E G chord, G B D. A minor, A, C, E. It's gonna take you here. Your root is C, so this should be in C. You can check if you want it lower or higher. But this one sounds low to me. If you put it too low, then it's gonna sound too low. So this one is fine for me, C4, the root. So that means that C is first, D is second chord, E third chord, F is the fourth chord, G the fifth chord, A the sixth chord, B the seventh chord, and then C again, repeating this section. So I'm gonna be choosing this C, this F, this G, and this A. But there's other that you can choose. See, if you want that, okay? I'm gonna choose this one because I can check F, C, my G, my A. That's my left. If you do it with your right, this is going to be my C, my F, my G, and my A. I cannot do this E, so I have to do my A here if I do it with my right hand. Let's do it with my left. Here we go with the song. Starting F. C, G, A, then F, C, and G. Okay, kind of used to. It's gonna take you a while. This one is a little hard because you have to switch. It's not the same order, but that's how it is. You practice and you get better, and then keep put pause and do little by little, and you're gonna get it. So hope this was helpful. Thank you so much. Give it a like, and thank you, and see you next time. Bye.